Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. It's summertime and we have to enjoy it. We don't get enough summer, so when we get a little summer, we enjoy it. Todo mundo, síguenos, disfruta, la vida es una vez, vívela.
I don't know what he said. I don't have no clue what he said. Yeah, but I just moving along. So we are going out. We're going to Liverpool today, and Lee, and we're just touring around the place a little bit because the sun is hot. With my boys. See my boys. Yes. Knowing this Robert, he always take time to go places. So see him. A drink. A drink.
This is water. It's not good to drink and drive, so if you want to drink water or 00 San Miguel 00 without alcohol, okay? Drink without alcohol.
Yeah.
Jenny, can we get me my water bottle?
Oh yeah, you need water. Can you get him his water bottle with some water? Oh, I think OJ needs some too. Yeah. So nice. So nice. Hello guys. What's going on today? The sun is out. Everybody's out. All looking nice. Looking nice. Yes. These are the British people in the UK and all of that. So guys, the sun is hot, so we're going out today. Yes, we're gonna enjoy the weather. We are going to enjoy the sun. Jordan just making too much noise. Look at my handsome baby boy. Look so much like his ugly papa.
Mom!
My beautiful baby boy.
Mom!
Come. Hey, mama, give. Jordan, give me a kiss. Mwah. Look, you might react now. Don't forget my big head.
Don't worry.
Yes. So this is we're in the area of Memory Lane where I met him. I remember when I used to go to his house. Those days was nice. Yeah, fresh love. But after you say it.
After 2 years.
Say it, you say it on the video camera. After 2.
After 2 years.
Are 2 here or more than 2 years now?
It's 2 years. I think we met 2021. So let's just count 2022, 2023.
Yeah, 2022, 2023, yeah. After 2 years, we turned old married couple. You know they one day, but then they did nice. Can we go over there?
Are we not going to pick your people up?
Yeah, but we need food.
Daddy, remember when we went to McDonald's?
This should be this way quick as possible.
Yeah. So guys, we're going to Liverpool. I'm going to try and go get my mom and my auntie. Take my auntie to see some different areas, different place. While the sun is hot, Liverpool is nice, especially in the night. There's a lot of history down there from back in the days, slavery and all of that.
As I was saying, baby, you used to ask me in those days,
So
after 5 years, you like to be saying I love you all the time like this.
yeah.
You know?
But we never reached 5 years yet, so
Yeah.
we're just there 2 here, you know, and it's kind of rough, you know.
Yes. I was surprised. I was telling you why not, you know?
So yes, so we are trying to say after 5 years, you're not going to miss you love me still.
Maybe because the way I live in Spain, people always talk sweet word and people are always romantic, you know? In Spain, people are hugging up, kissing every time, all the time, touching, kissing.
Tell him so we are Jamaican and we don't do like that.
Not just Jamaica. Here in England, no one is romantic. The Polish, the English, in this country, everyone,
Stop
no one
tell
is
like, cause
romantic.
sometimes we're romantic with you when me and I'm mood.
Not like that. That is not.
We are passing in food place.
Maybe we are going for
You have to remember, say this one you're hungry though.
maybe.
Alright, go on. Let me call him and tell him to get ready and carry him on the beach front.
In this country, people are not romantic at all. Just like in Nigeria. You meet a woman or just hi yes, you shake hands. In most cases, nobody shakes nobody's hand. You know, just talk and that's all. And if you come home, you and your wife, everybody just sit down, you know, on their own. Man.
It's like me always eat chops other year, you side and you always eat chops other me.
Yeah, but that's
Stop
just
telling
it. That's what I mean. Just sit down and that's all. You know?
But you can't just get up and cuddle and love you and kiss
Yes,
you and all the time.
in Spain it's like that. In Spain it's like that. In Spain, even if you want to say hello to a female,
Mommy, you don't care if you drive out.
Yes.
Me know you're not going to say no. Well, you're not putting on the clothes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
You have no go?
Alright. No. I ain't not go by my name member.
You have chips? Hello?
I'll go cornflakes.
Still hot,
okay, I have
yeah.
the AC on. That's why we don't feel it.
Oh yeah, that's why I think why we feel a little bit cold, but yeah, it's actually 28. Look,
You see now that the AC off.
before it was 32 today. Oh yes, it's
The
still
AC
hot.
was on full.
Yeah, you don't need it. It's still hot. It's 32. Yellow warning for thunderstorm. I wonder which part you hear that? You hear? It always happens when time you get one hot day like this. Then look out. Yeah.
Well, let me see. Let me see that.
But then I say enough to drive on video.
Mom,
Hmm?
beautiful.
To go to the town.
Huh?
Not to you, not to you.
Royal Liverpool University Hospital.
like them one.
Mom, take it. It's all seven. I'm going for footsteps.
Yeah, Amber running.
It also says I'm going.
But it's for Warrington. Yellow warning for Warrington. Thunderstorm.
Warrington is very close to Liverpool though.
So are we in Warrington?
We are Liverpool.
So Daddy,
Yeah.
so is Warrington a different place?
Warrington is different from Liverpool.
So where is it in? Is it in Liverpool?
Close.
It's close to Liverpool.
They are neighbors. Can you imagine that today 32? We never know that today so hot.
Yeah,
Because the last time when we got Forbes Beach, I did how much? 34, innit?
I
33.
think so.
33. When we got Forbes Beach and it is so hot. See?
and we never have no shelter above the head. I'm still managing. It's so hot.
Wait, I thought we went to Liverpool Beach.
Yeah, we went to Liverpool and we went to Forbes Beach.
Wait. So that day we are. Hey guys, cheers, cars,
They hear it? You hear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. So, I think we're in Liverpool. Are we in Liverpool?
Yeah.
Yes, Liverpool City. Boy, it look like the sun are going low. But it's okay. Looks nice one a night. You go Liverpool, you're going to see how much people sit down. What do you call it?
A drink.
A drink and a yam. Chicken. Yes, sir. Hopefully, my auntie find one nice like a white man.
So,
Because a white man that do it, you know. Not black
if you
man.
enjoy this video, we are in Liverpool already.
You know, of course. A joke. Me have my white man chopping a black somebody body, so it's okay. Yeah. Because he not black, you know, he's white.
We're in Liverpool.
He's too white.
We're in Liverpool already, so
I hold this.
yeah.
Yeah, so.
Mhm. I have these two things.
So, the BNQ, the big club.
This is the day. Even though the sun is gonna set, it's fine. We can still go to Liverpool.
Oh, you know, so son I go said.
Yeah, I don't see.
Go like this. Can't talk on the camera, their mouth looks so.
They have the TV and the road.
Am I?
Yes, sir.
No, this is for right? The mountain,
Watch the loops.
the birds.
You want to connect?
TV and the road.
TV on the road. That's not even a TV on the road.
And the thing there.
That's not a TV.
And the TV they tell her,
Oh, is what?
That's advert.
the advert them.
Oh.
I look, yeah, where it just scream, but it look like a scream.
It's TV.
Clear channel.
It's TV.
Oh,
It's complete TV, but they use it for advert.
For advert.
oh
That's
yeah. Okay, you see? So, but in a long time, I never know see a TV.
Yes, a TV,
But it look like TV. It look like a flat screen, big TV when we there one.
How they have
Yeah.
them home on the road, you know?
Living room.
You know, Simone?
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, they have it for Kingston.
Oh my God.
Going straight down.
See,
we have
KFC there. I first met.
So guys, we went to Liverpool. Yeah, we're in Liverpool at the moment. So actually when I was leaving Bolton, it was really nice, warm, weather looked good and everything. But as soon as I said, let me check the weather, how hot it is today. That's when we was in Liverpool. It says
If there was,
Liverpool is gonna have a thunderstorm. So I didn't even know it was gonna be today. I thought it would have been like
if I saw
tomorrow or something.
I'm looking for that.
Right, driving through to Liverpool. Phew,
That's like the parents one.
then the rain starts. Really heavy rain, so it just made the day not so nice. So I actually take my auntie to see the beautiful city of Liverpool. She's over there taking photos with her sister. Yeah. I can't leave the car because you know I have babies and my
I'll put my
partner
made of things like a YouTube.
is taking the photos. Yeah. So the weather is not good today. It's gonna be really bad. We're gonna have really bad weather today. I think she's cold. Yeah.
I just said
Mm-hmm.
they did what Brazil did. Like I think they did like what Brazil did.
Who
Like,
did?
They mocked Jesus. Brazil.
Brazil.
Yeah. So
Like they mocked Jesus and they told God and they gave them a flood. And I think they done it in Liverpool and instead they gave them a thunderstorm.
oh. So you think Liverpool is like Brazil now? They mock God and now God give them a thunderstorm.
I did not see the thunderstorm. It only went on the side of my eye, but went too fast. It went too fast.
Robert, who's that?
Who is that?
I don't know.
Me no want. It on your phone. Me no
We
want.
stop now, we go there, go look it. But
Me no want put no more on it.
They have statue with all they have statue with all they have statue with all Elvis.
Line. That's the ship I was
they have
talking about.
Elvis.
Oh, you want to see this ship? The
That's
Stena
tip.
line.
That ship.
The Stena line. Wait,
What ship is that,
you
Judan?
can't see it. That's pretty. Somebody want to see it. That was too far.
What steamer line, Judan?
That
Do you know that ship?
steamer.
Mm-hmm.
Go on, look now.
Do you know it?
I know the ship. That ship.
Look. You want
That ship has to be careful if it hits a thunder, because if steamer line hits a thunder, it's definitely sinking.
Yeah, this ship thing.
I know, like Thunder Titanic. Yeah, it hit a thunderstorm. I'm at the thunderstorm day, and that was my favorite ship. I don't think God mean it, yeah, but then it sank just like Titanic, because it split right in two.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
London Eye.
This one now
Is
will be
Liverpool high? Liverpool High.
That's what I was gonna say. I was about to say Liverpool Line.
Yeah, you see there's something you can pay for
Oh, yes,
going
so
there.
they come? That's a hotel.
Yeah, that's a hotel.
London. Oh, no, long shot.
If you're in London, I was at the first. We could have
Wow.
called it London.
When the sun hot and you come down here, man, it's really nice. Really nice.
This one, an extent. I didn't park here with the
So normally we go that way. Yeah?
Did you know it was built here in Liverpool?
I didn't know.
It was built here.
You know so much about the Titanic, but you didn't know it was built in Liverpool. Where did they build it?
In Liverpool.
Oh, the sinking ship.
Yeah.
Titanic.
You remember when you went on this one?
Yeah.
Where you going?
I don't really know where I'm going.
So you're allowed to drive these parts.
That's why it says Titanic
Look.
Liverpool at the back.
Locked.
That's why it says Titanic Liverpool
Don't
at the
drive
back.
places where you're
Yeah,
allowed.
because it's made in Liverpool.
That building kind of look like a ship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Western Railway.
Guys, do you know you know my ship, yeah? It's built in Liverpool too. I built it. That's why it's my ship. That's why it says Judan.
You built it.
Yeah. And instead of saying Judan AX
I will go
Liverpool
over there.
ship,
So. That's the thing, Judan. You see that? glue.
Oh, the rock thing.
That way we take the picture. Well, next time when we come down, some orange. Oh.
You see that bed? See the symbol of that bed? That is the Liverpool symbol. The one, the one I was telling you guys on top of that building, live.
Oh yeah. See there, yeah.
That is the Liverpool symbol.
Mama money. Where's my 10 pounds?
Daddy, why did
You ain't taking funny some
Daddy,
money.
why did we just get one single cup?
Robert, have my money.
It's not funny, yeah?
Where's my 10 pounds?
Maybe that thing is not funny.
I need my money.
I need money because you listen to me. My mom isn't good. She's trash.
So she's trash.
Uh-huh.
Your mommy is a very good mommy.
No, she beat people up.
When you're rude.
Shut up. I'm gonna play some.
Your mommy is a good mommy. You have the best
goes.
mommy. Mama. You see your mama?
Judan is not eating the chicken, he's only eating the skin. Judan, the skin alone is not healthy, Judan. Only the skin.
Yeah, but I think I would vomit if I eat it.
No, I'm going to get two.
Judan, eat the chicken, the real meat.
Oh, no, eat up before you know. Do not eat the chicken. Bite in that chicken. Don't play with me.
But what about this? I think I'm gonna vomit if I eat this.
Bite in that chicken. Don't play with me.
I don't wanna vomit. I can drink this.
How about the peanut just for my food?